Wow! What a beautiful and happy day! Oh no! Birdie, why are you crying? My nest broke in the wind. My babies are scared.
Don't worry. We will build you a new home.
Friends! Come quickly! We need to help Birdie! We're coming! I brought the sticks.
I can carry the big branches.
And I'll build the nest up high.
Thank you, my dear friends.
That's what real friends do. Friendship makes every problem smaller. Always help others and be kind. Don't forget to like and subscribe.